It looks like something out of a magazine.
It felt like we were at home, like it was our second parents.
Brandon, a monkey. This is getting a little too jungle for me. We're Erin and Brandon. We're an engaged couple who are chasing our passion projects while slow traveling the world before getting married in 2021. Follow our journey and stay tuned. After visiting Agra and the Taj Mahal, we stopped quickly in Delhi before flying to Ahmedabad. There we stayed in a private room in a sweet family's Airbnb. The internet wasn't the best, so we went to a co-working space for a few days to work. Brandon finishing his book, working remotely. I was editing videos, doing some wedding planning, and getting a haircut. I've never had someone take so much time cutting my hair. I think I was in there for almost like 2 hours. I got a massage. I mean, it was great. Like, this guy was treating it like a work of art. I appreciate that. Now I gotta cut the street.
So we are packing up to head to our next Airbnb in Ahmedabad, and this is our general routine for packing up the suitcases. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but we have to sit on the bag and then zip it up. Usually Erin has trouble with hers because she doesn't weigh enough to really press it down. This is not an ad for a way. If you want to sponsor us, let us know.
We are leaving our Airbnb with our super nice family. If you're watching this,
nice.
Hi.
It felt like we were at home, like it was our second parents.
We just got to our second Airbnb in Ahmedabad, and it's a mansion. It looks like something out of a magazine. We don't have the entire place, obviously. This is someone's house. We just have this small room. It's not even that small, it's very nice. Review. It's not as comfy as our bed in Agra. It's soft, the bed is comfortable, it's nice. But it's okay, it's got some give. It's not a rock.
And this is what $38 a night gets you in Ahmedabad.
When you're just in your living room and a peacock comes and strolls by, we also hear monkey sounds. At least I do. I'm like, Brandon, a monkey. He's like, what? I'm on high alert. It's really cool though. We keep hearing this sound like birds are talking back at each other. It kind of sounds like this. That sounds like a cat. I don't know, it's like, yeah. No, I thought they might do a pack. Yeah. It's a cat bird. Cat bird. Mix them together. It's whatever's outside. What is that? Look up. This is getting a little too jungle for me. A chipmunk just came in. Alright, I love it, but there's a fine line between having a door and keeping it open and not having a door so that the outdoors is always in your living room. have a sliding glass door. Open it when you feel. Because things are coming in. There are birds in the air, chipmunks. Woo! Exhale, prayer. Shoulders reaching down the
I love that you can just be working in your room, look out the window, and see a peacock. Like, we didn't know before coming to India that the peacock was the national bird, but I see why, because they're everywhere. We've seen so many peacocks just on the side of the road, in the yard. Who would have thought? So we pretty much decided that we're not going to see anything in Ahmedabad besides the dance studio and our 2 places that we stayed in Airbnbs, which are remarkable. We wish we could see something in Ahmedabad, but the way the schedule worked out and how much work we have, we just couldn't. So all that means is that we're going to have to come back and see Ahmedabad properly.
I think a lot of times people see our lifestyle, especially our Airbnb hosts, and they're like, "You're not seeing anything? What did you see today?" And we're like, "Nothing." "What did you do today?" "Oh, we worked." People just don't understand, but in India, our schedule is being determined by my dance workshops, which is great because we're traveling around a bunch, but it makes us fast travel, which we are so not used to. We normally like to slow travel. At some points, we just have to take the L and work, sit inside.
Not all of traveling is just seeing the sights. We've been immersing into the local culture, hanging out with our host family, going to the dance studio, and her teaching dance to locals is such a cool experience. We're participating in the culture just in Ahmedabad. We're not going to see the tourist spots. But moving forward in India, we are going to make a greater effort to go see things because we'd like to see the tourist spots. They're popular for a reason. But for now, we're just going to work and eat all the food.
All the food. We're eating a lot. Although we haven't done too much in Ahmedabad, we are here for one particular reason. My dance workshop that I'm hosting with Sankalp at Dance Inc. Studios. It's actually super close to our Airbnb, so we're gonna head there now. It's a 2-day workshop. Today we're having a proper contemporary dance class, and tomorrow we have an improv jam that we're hosting.
New York City, and they are here to share their knowledge with you all. Guys, so great teachers. So please take in as much as you can.
We pray to you, the universe, to bless us with the power of perception and retention. Help us to understand the wonder of this body. Help us to understand the beauty of this mind. May we become better as people and thus better dancers. Let us explore our passion.
So tired.
So everyone told us you have to come to the Radisson for their breakfast buffet. No, they didn't. That was a joke. We made it to Singapore.